Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can send money in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, log into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. At the moment, it's not actually a feature to send money or dice or anything like that. However, a workaround I have found for this is to actually use the shop. So what you need to do is, you need to log into your friend's account or whomever you want to send money. Then, tap on the 3 bars icon at top right corner of the screen and menu will appear. Simply tap on the shop feature and a bunch of offers will be displayed. Now, if you actually scroll down, you can see we've got dice packs and money packs down here. So effectively what you need to do is log in to whoever you want to send money to, and you need to buy one of these packs. And of course, when you pay for it, you're going to enter your own personal banking information. In this way, you'll still be able to send money to your friends instead of directly sending it. So that's basically how you can send money in Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.